If you are an agricultural scientist or agriculturist living in a foreign country, but you want to immigrate to United States with your full family, do you know that NIW can be a great application for you? In United States, we have a lot of land, we have a lot of population. However, we do not have enough people to work in our agricultural sector. That's why our product price is very high, our inflation is very high. The current administration is trying to address this issue. That's why they want to bring more agricultural scientists, agriculturists, or even regular people who will work in the agricultural field to address this problem. EB-2 NIW can be a great application if you can show that you are an agriculturist or agricultural scientist, you have a master's degree or higher degree, you have work experience or research, publication, and citation, all the requirements for NIW. If you can meet the requirement for NIW, you can move to America with a green card through EB-2 NIW. I hope all the agriculturists and agricultural scientists all over the world will watch my video and will take my help. By the way, this is my diploma from the Supreme Court of the United States, the highest court of land. Only a small number of US attorneys, they are admitted to the Supreme Court of the United States, and I'm a proud member of Supreme Court Bar. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.